So guys, welcome back to another episode of the homemade Ferrari 488 GTB replica. Welcome back to the channel. This is Dami Motorized, guys. So actually, as you can see, this is the current progress on this project, on this Ferrari 488 GTB replica build. And you can see I am almost like I am like, should I say 60 or 50% done with the back aspect, though I haven't been able to film it because of the rain, so I can't like do everything at once. So actually this is the back aspect, and I think it is almost like the Ferrari 488 GTB. You can see how it looks by its body, like by its body shape and its body design. The remaining work to do about the back aspect is actually from here. Like I just have to like I'm still figuring how this place will actually look. So that is what I've been like giving me some problem. Say I have been like taking off everything. So actually this one has to be like this. Maybe this one will just have to be like this. This one will have to be like this, and then maybe this one should at least be like this. Then this is where this will come in. This is where these two iron rod will comes in. If you look at the Ferrari 488 GTB, it has like some at the back aspect, it has like, maybe should I call it letter A shape from here to here. So it has like letter A shape, and also from here to here, like from here to here, it also has like letter A shape. So that is actually what I want to do. So this one will actually be like this. This one will be like this, and then okay, so and then this one also will be like this. Actually, that is what I've been trying to figure out. Also, there will be another like letter A shape here. So there will be another letter A type of shape, but this one I'll make sure it goes like, it goes more like it goes down, because you know, actually for the Ferrari aspect, it actually comes like this. This side is actually like, this side is like plain, while this side is more higher. So I'll actually make this place to be like to go down more, because I think it is more higher like this. And then this one will be like this. This one will be like this, and then another letter A shape. So you can see this actually is, but I think this one will have to like come, we have to be like this. So I'm thinking this one will have to be like this. You see, it's the distance of this place to this place won't be that much compared to that front aspect. So that is actually what I am thinking, because I think I have already gotten this aspect. Well, I think I have already gotten this aspect from here. Like you can see, like the back Ferrari curve, like the back curve of the Ferrari. So I think I have already gotten this place to this place. You can see the up aspect, and also from here, you can see from here to here, the down aspect. So now after that, I think I'm just going to complete the chassis frame for the back aspect here. So everything like will actually like look like a Ferrari 488 GTB. So now after that, the next progress I'm going to be making, maybe that will actually be next year, because you know I have to resume school next week. So the next thing is actually to like use fiberglass for the entire body, but I am still thinking maybe I should use a cardboard. I know that is actually more easier than, or I should use a clay, because actually clay is a bit harder than cardboard, but I'm thinking of using that clay, though it will be very hard. It will be very harder than the usage of the cardboard. So you can at least comment your opinion under this, because this is actually like very complicating on this project. But the use of fiberglass will actually be more like, will actually be more okay, we actually be more okay, and it will give me more shape of the of the project I am trying to build. I think I am almost done with the back aspect of this. So actually for here, I think I'm still thinking like, do I actually get this? Like, do I actually get this right? That is actually what I've been thinking. Maybe I'm still going to amend it. I think I'm still going to amend it. Maybe because this iron rod has to be like from here to here, maybe from here to here. Instead of me using this like iron steel to support it, you see. Instead of me using this iron sheet, I should have just use it like this. I should have just done it like this from here to here. It will just have to go down, right? Just have to bend it down, and then the second one will also be like this. It will just be like the letter V aspect. But as I did it like this, I am still thinking that it actually doesn't affect how the body frame will looks, because I'll be using, I will be actually be using the fiberglass to make the body frame. So I am still thinking maybe it won't really affect it, because since this is actually the bulk frame, I won't have any problem with it if I applied the fiberglass material on it. So you can actually comment your opinion about what you think about about all this. You can actually comment your opinion about what you think about this project, maybe. And also you are actually free to point out my mistake, maybe for me to improve more on my craft.